Welcome to the Explainer. Picture this. You just give your computer a simple goal, like plan my business trip, and that's it. Without any further input from you, an intelligent AI agent independently researches your flights, books your hotel, organizes your meetings, manages your calendar, checks the weather to optimize your routes, and then just sends you the final confirmations, right? We are crossing a massive threshold here, jumping from basic reactive chatbots into the era of agentic AI. These are intelligent systems that don't just talk to you, they actually think, plan, and act.
Okay, let's dive into this. Generative AI answers what to create. Agentic AI answers what to do next and how to get there. This quote perfectly captures the monumental technological shift we're about to explore. We're no longer just dealing with a tool that brainstorms text or generates images on command. We're talking about a relentless engine of execution. It's like upgrading from a brainstorming partner to a fully autonomous employee.
Here's our roadmap for the Explainer today. First, the agentic AI paradigm. Then, how autonomous agents think. Next, enterprise use cases. After that, emerging AI security risks. And finally, the multi-agent future.
All right, part 1. The agentic AI paradigm, moving beyond the chatbot. So, think of generative AI as a brilliant but ultimately reactive consultant. It just sits at a desk, you hand it a prompt, it gives you a great document back, and then it instantly forgets who you are. It's completely stateless per inference. Agentic AI, on the other hand, is a proactive worker. It autonomously manages multi-step workflows and actually maintains a persistent state in memory. You just give it a high-level goal, and it executes it across all your business systems, remembering exactly what it did yesterday and adapting to whatever new information comes in today.
And this brilliantly illustrates that exact spectrum, moving from human-driven code loops all the way to fully autonomous, agent-executed systems. We start at the top, where the AI is just a tool being called for one specific thing. But as you move down and cross that threshold into agent-executed workflows, the whole game changes. By the bottom level, the system is fully autonomous. The AI is deciding the output, figuring out which steps to take next, and even deciding what tools it needs to pull in. It's completely self-directed.
Let's move on to part 2. How autonomous agents think, breaking down the brain.
Let's crack open the brain of these autonomous agents and see exactly how they process information. It basically operates on a continuous, proactive loop: perceive, plan, and act. First, it perceives the environment by reading live context from data sources and checking its own persistent memory. Second, it plans. It doesn't just blindly react. It takes your high-level goal and actually decomposes it into discrete, actionable subtasks. And finally, it acts. It calls external tools, APIs, or even other sub-agents to execute that plan. It adapts dynamically as environmental conditions shift, breaking completely free from that standard prompt and response model.
Now, what's really interesting here is how developers actually build that thinking process. We're comparing two distinct reasoning loops, chain of thought versus react. Chain of thought is very linear, kind of like an internal scratchpad. It's great for static logic, math, or legal analysis, but it doesn't use outside tools. React, on the other hand, is an iterative loop that actually interacts with the external world. It thinks, acts through an API or external system, observes the result, and then thinks again. And because it's constantly checking reality, React achieves a staggering 82% reduction in hallucinations during tool-augmented tasks. That's huge.
Moving right along to part 3. Enterprise use cases, real-world ROI.
Let's bring this down to earth and look at how businesses are actually deploying these agentic frameworks in production right now. In expense management, agents can take a raw photo of a receipt, categorize it, and enter it into the system, which is cutting data entry time by up to 50%. In customer service, they aren't just giving you FAQ links, they're routing and progressing cases with live context, autonomously handling the basics. And in accounts payable, agents read supplier queries and reply with real-time status updates without any manual database lookups. But, it's important to remember, this is still very much a human-in-the-loop model. The agents do the high-volume heavy lifting, but they purposefully escalate the nuanced judgment calls to actual people.
So, the crucial point is this number right here. We are talking about an estimated 300% return on investment in customer engagement over just 3 years. By freeing up human workers from these low-complexity, high-volume tasks, organizations are seeing massive autonomous efficiency gains and even uncovering totally new revenue streams.
All right, part 4, emerging AI security risks, a new threat landscape.
We really have to take a step back and ask ourselves, what actually happens when autonomous agents go rogue?
I mean, in the past, if a chatbot got compromised, it just gave you a weird or embarrassing answer. But an agentic AI? It's tied directly into your core business systems. A compromised agent can execute unauthorized commands across your entire database, trigger financial transactions, or silently steal data, all at machine speeds, without a human ever pressing a button.
One of the most novel and frankly frightening vulnerabilities is called memory poisoning. Because these agents have persistent memory across workflows, an attacker can slip malicious information directly into the agent's context. And once it's in there, it permanently alters the agent's future autonomous decisions. What makes this so incredibly dangerous is that it's notoriously difficult to detect, because the agent might still be processing perfectly legitimate information right alongside the corrupted data, quietly executing malicious subtasks in the background.
Finally, Part 5, the multi-agent future, the Internet of Agents.
We are moving rapidly toward an ecosystem where individual agents transition into collaborative, swarm-like digital workforces. Imagine ensemble workflows where specialized AI agents communicate across entire networks. You could have one agent handling customer support, instantly teaming up with other sub-agents to automate cybersecurity, healthcare compliance, software development, or complex business operations. It's distributed artificial intelligence, dynamically balancing the load to tackle massive goals that would be totally impossible for a single monolithic system to handle on its own.
And honestly, this isn't science fiction. This interconnected, self-organizing digital workforce is already being built. Look at frameworks like AGNC, which is actively building the open-source Internet of Agents. They're laying down the infrastructure for interoperability, so agents from completely different frameworks can discover each other, communicate securely, and actually collaborate in real time, safely, and effectively.
The shift from generative to agentic AI is profound. It's the dawn of intelligent systems that truly think, plan, and act. So I'll leave you with this provocative thought. Is your organization actually ready to manage, secure, and trust a self-organizing digital workforce? Thank you for joining me for this explainer. Start preparing today, because the autonomous future, it's already here.